Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today we have a seated full body workout. That's right, maybe you don't want to get down on the ground, or maybe you've been standing all day and you just want to take a seat, relax, and also work out your body at the same time. So this will be the workout for you. We're going to tone our bodies, burn some calories, and have a great time. So let's get started. So we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set's gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along. And then set number 2 and set number 3 are gonna be more of a complete run through of everything. So let's just, stop dancing around it. Let's just get started with exercise number 1. Alrighty, so we're gonna start off the bat with some seated marches. Sit all nice and proper, nice and proud up here. And all we're gonna do is alternate raising one leg at a time. Now to make it even more fun, hands behind your head like so. Again, try to stand or stay upright as you really drive that knee up. So 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Really drive that knee up. Try not to lean too far like back or too far forward. See how upright you can keep it and really see how high can you get that knee. Another rule is, not rule, but just try to keep your elbows a little more back. It just opens up the chest more and really turns it into a full body exercise. Drive those knees, couple more seconds. You're doing it fantastic. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, exercise number 2, we're gonna do some seated torso twists. So 30 seconds on the clock. Nice and upright, and here we go. Hands out in front. I like to clasp them together like so, and we're just twisting to one side, get back to the middle, twisting to the other. Again, try to stay upright. Embrace your core. If you have to turn your hips slightly, go ahead. You don't want to tweak anything here. Just like that. Move at your own pace, make sure you're breathing. Really try to stretch those arms in front of you. After a while, your arms are gonna start burning. Here we go, a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along into some overhead arm presses. You want your arms out to the side, 30 seconds, and here we go. So up here, really reach above. Again, try to keep those elbows behind you. You're gonna feel it in your back, you're gonna feel it in your chest, you're gonna feel it in your triceps, you're gonna feel it everywhere. Brace that core, really reach up. Really pull your elbows down and extend. Make sure you're breathing, it's important. Nobody pass out on me now. Right up, just like this. Your arms should be burning at this point, because mine are. A couple more seconds, let's finish strong. 3, 2, 1 more, and done. Great job. All right, last but certainly not least, we have bent arm openers, at least that's what I call them. 30 seconds on the clock. And here we go. So elbows up, really extend, bam. Just like so. Just really open up. You feel it in your chest, feel it in your back, especially when you get in this position. Boom. I like to have my palms facing out and then here, palms facing in. Just a good way to distract myself from the burn I'm feeling. A couple more seconds, really open up. Nice and proud. Here, make sure you're breathing. Elbows up, 3, 2, 1 more, and done. Oh, that was your first set of the seated full body workout. My arms are killing me, my abs are killing me. My legs are so tired from those marches, I'm not gonna lie. So that was your first set. Grab some water. It's actually more of an excuse for me to grab water. And then we're gonna get right into set number 2. Here we go, we're gonna get started with set number 2 in 3, 2, 1. Seated marches, here we go. All right, torso twist in 3, 2, 1. Overhead arm press, here we go. Bent arm openers, 3, 2, 1. And done. Great job. That was your second set. I feel nice and warmed up. I feel good, but you know what? Let's do a third one. Why not? Let's just go crazy with it. Let's get set number 3 going. Water real quick. All right, here we go. Set number 3. Let's do it. Seated marches. Here we go. All right, torso twists in 3, 2, 1. Overhead arm press, here we go. Bent arm openers, 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. That was your seated full body workout. I hope you feel nice and sore, burn some calories. Maybe you're sweating like I am, but that's a good thing. It means you're working. It means you're getting one step closer to getting the body that you know you've always wanted and that you deserve. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and click that notification bell to stay on top of any new videos like this dropping from Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, or Coach Greg. That's me. Hope you have an amazing day. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.